G'day, Mark here at K-technik. We're at Combi Life today with this beautiful Achtung camper. It's just on 4 years old, 2022, mid-22 model, and it is a beautiful cherry red, long wheelbase, 4-motion Achtung camper. And we've conducted some serious upgrades to this vehicle today, electrically, with all of the K-technik upgrades. We've taken the 126 amp hour lithium ferrous phosphate 4 battery that was behind the seats, the front driver's seat. We've now put that under the seat, under the driver's seat, with the new revised version of the K-technik Underseat Power Station. So these is 160 amp hours, all usable, all 160s usable under this seat, freeing up more space in the vehicle where the table will be going in momentarily. I've taken it out just for the moment. Here we have the K-technik 2.5 kilowatt power station inverter, this pure sine wave inverter. So this allows us to run any AC device. If you can run it at home, in your shed or in your garage or in your workplace, you can run it here as well. So we've got people using their computers, their laptops, there could be a laser printer, it can be an induction cooker, microwave, air fry, hair dryers. We even have some trade customers using welding machines with that exact 2.5 kilowatt pure sine wave inverter. It includes earth leakage detection, which is not common in this space, and it also has an IEC to CMS compatible connector, so we can run our power points to wherever you need in your van. You want power at the back, power on the side, power here, it's all feasible. And so just here behind me here we have on-grid and off-grid power capabilities for all of those devices that I've just mentioned. Key reason for the upgrades, apart from making more space and more capability, is also to bring it into line with the current standards. Some of you will have heard about AS3001.2.2022. This has previously concerned anything that can move and can connect up to the grid, but it has further requirements now around habitable spaces. This is a habitable space. We can see behind me here that we have the bed. We also have a bed upstairs here as well with a pop-top roof. It's got 4 seat belts in here. We can have 4 people sleeping in here. So there are regulations around that. And this is fully compliant. The K-technik Power Station, out of the box, having to build anything additionally, has got the full requirements for all the double encasement, for all the external venting to the atmosphere, and so on. It is also, over and above that, IEC certified and tested, not just the little bits and pieces, the components like some of those other manufacturers do, but the full kit and caboodle, as assembled, as put together by us, is fully IEC certified and tested. With all that said, how do we replenish that power? Well, this previously had some mix of power items. There was a red arc charger in here, there was a Dometic DC-DC charger, there was a Dometic inverter in here as well, and another solar controller. That's all overhauled and set to one make. In this particular case, our customer's chosen Victron. It's a good choice because there are 3 really good components here, can be all examined on the app as well. We have the Victron, the DCDC Charger. That's an Orion 50, the Orion 50 XS, that charges at 50 amps as we drive along. Engines running, alternators pumping, charging the starting battery and charging the auxiliary battery. That's our primary replenishment method. Our secondary replenishment method is going to be solar. It's been a beautiful sunny day here. We've been testing the solar. It is the old solar panel on the roof. It's a small solar panel, but we've put in the 100/50, which allows in the future up to 50 amps at 12 volts to go into the power station. So that would allow even our largest 520 watt solar panel to go with that system. This roof would comfortably fit the 430 watt K-technik solar panel. So that's a future upgrade. And the third replenishment method is when we're parked, not off grid, but now on grid, because we have external hookup here, and that's going to be replenishing at 30 amps with the Victron 30 amp AC DC charger, all controllable through the app. You get a good view of what is going on. But that's the order of replenishment, is DC to DC first. That's a primary replenishment method. Quickly, with 50 amps, we're going to get from 0% to 100% in just over 3 hours. We can also be replenishing with solar, and with that upgrade, we may be then achieving towards 100 amps of replenishment as we drive along on a sunny day, assuming there's nothing obscuring the solar panel on our roof. And then we also have that AC to DC hookup. We can control the inverter up here. We can turn the inverter on and off up here, so that we can keep an eye on just how much power is being drawn out of there. out of the inverter when we're running a kettle or a toaster or that microwave or the air fryer or the induction cooker. We also have Bluetooth monitoring of the K-technik Power Station itself, and we also have a display on the power station here currently showing 50%. We've also added, as a consequence of the power station, USB-C at 65 watts, so I'll turn that to go blue there, 65 watts and USB-A 3.0. There's 2 sets of those, 2 sets of SIG sockets, 2 sets of Andersons there as well. So I could hook up my portable solar blanket as well for additional solar performance when free camping. Don't forget to like and subscribe as well for more updates about how you can improve your off-grid camping experience and do all the things in your camper van that you can also comfortably do at home. If you have an Achtung camper, we'd love to hear from you. If you have any other brand of camper and enjoy the van life and want to improve your van life, we'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, click the bell, and that will let you know when we publish the next set of videos. Thanks for watching. Talk soon.